Hello all, welcome to the series of Network Security Essential. In this sessions, we will see the content of model for network security. In the last some sessions, we have seen some of the basic introduction of network security, then their services, network security services, security attacks. But this concept is very important. That is nothing but the model. So for sending information will require one sender, fine, then the receiver, and then the information channel through which we are going to send the information. So in a network security model, three major components are involved. First of all, sender, second one is the receiver, and third one is the information channel through which we can send the information, fine. And in this transmission of a data, there is an opponent named as an attacker. You can say attacker or hacker or opponent. So that person can just check the information, break the information whatever shared by the sender to the receiver. Okay, but in this model we can have the information which will be the secret information. Now how the sender is sending the secret information? For example, this sender is sending some secret information or simply a message named as a M. Fine. This sender is sending some information, that is message I am writing as a M. Now, whatever original message is there, if this sender is sending as it is to the receiver, this opponent can check that information. Okay, so for that purpose, on this original message, we are applying the encryption algorithm. Encryption algorithm is one of the technique or algorithm which converts original message into the non-readable message, fine, or uh, coded message. Okay, encryption is one of the algorithm which convert the original message to the coded message. Okay, means original message is a M plus encryption. So both these things will be sent to the receiver. Fine. Now, for example, original message is a hello. After applying encryption algorithm, so this message will be converted into other any code. For example, uh, M O O L. Okay. For example, this is the converted message. Now, this converted message, if it is observed by the opponent or the attacker, so he will not get the original content because original message is a hello. And after applying the encryption algorithm, this message is converted into non-readable or coded format which cannot be understood by the opponent. Fine. So through this information channel, it can be internet or either other channel through which the message can be sent. Now coming toward the receiver end, the coded message is received at this information which is the secret information. Fine. Now here what is received? Here it is received the coded message, that is MOOL, which is converted from hello to MOOL. Fine. Now how this receiver is checking whether this message is original or not? So he will apply the decryption algorithm. So remember that in the sender end, we are using the encryption algorithm, and at the receiver end, we are using the decryption algorithm. So encryption means convert the original message into coded. Decryption means convert the coded message into the original format. Okay, so this small MOOL message will be decrypted at the receiver end, and the receiver will get the original hello message. Okay. Now, how this information is transferred and how this information is converted. So for encryption, we are using keys. Okay. So keys can be either private key or public key. So there are major two types of keys, private key or the public key. So any type of key is used in this communications, means to code original message to the coded message, we are using either private key or public key, as well as at the receiver end to decrypt, I mean to decode that message, again we are using either public or private key. So these keys are with the sender as well as the receiver, which is provided by the trusted third party. So information Secret information distributor is nothing but the trusted third party which is providing private keys and public keys. So if this person, I mean the party, trusted third party is providing the private and public key to the correct sender and correct receiver, so this opponent will not read the original information. Fine. So in this model, for example, remember that we will require the four basic tasks for designing this model. First of all, design an algorithm. As I mentioned, key encryption and decryption algorithm is required. So those algorithms for performing the security related transformation is needed. The algorithm should be such that an opponent cannot defeat its purpose. That is the first security purpose uh, or service provided by the security model. Okay. Second one is the generate the secret information to be used with the algorithm. Third service through this model can be provided, that is developed method for the distribution and sharing the secret information. And last one, specify a protocol to be used by the two principals that make use of the security algorithm and the secret information to achieve the particular security service. So this is nothing but the simple network security model which is used for sharing the information. Okay. So thank you.